In today's video, I'm going to show you the single AI tool that's become my secret weapon for turning long videos into scroll-stopping short clips and basically doing half my content job for me. It's called Vizard, and honestly, calling it just an AI clipper undersells it because it's like having a dedicated content machine in your back pocket. I'm going to walk you through everything, from the initial signup to my exact workflow that saves me hours, and why it's a tool every serious creator should at least try out. If you want to test it out yourself, I'll drop a link in the description, but for now, let's jump straight into the demo. The first thing you need to do is go to the link and make an account. And the best part is that Vizard lets you get started for free without any credit card junk. Once you log in, you'll see your dashboard, which looks like a fresh, clean canvas ready for your next project. Just hit that big new project button and you'll see a few options to either upload a long-form video, start a recording, or import from an external link. I usually upload my recorded videos, like podcast sessions or long talking head rants about social media growth, whatever I happen to film that week. As soon as you upload, Vizard starts transcribing, which is the heart of the entire process and what makes everything else possible. Once the text is ready, the platform analyzes it to find high engagement moments, like hooks or payoffs that you can easily turn into a short. It's wild how good this auto-editing engine is, as you can literally sit back and watch it pick the best 60-second moments and group them into ready-to-post clips. But before we let the AI run wild, there are a couple of cleanup tricks I always do, starting with the shorten gaps action. I tell it to find pauses longer than 0.2 of a second and squish them down, which turns a 50-minute raw file into a concise, cleaned-up base in just seconds. Doing that manually in Premiere or Final Cut would take ages, but Vizard turns that hours-long headache into a one-click miracle. Next, I run the remove retakes pass, where Vizard detects repeated sentences or stutters and removes the redundant stuff automatically. It's basically like having a smart editor who knows which take sounded most natural, though I always take a quick preview just to be sure. I mostly apply the changes directly, because 9 times out of 10, the AI is completely on point with its edits. Here is a pro tip. When I record, I say a nonsense keyword whenever I mess up, like macaroni, so I can just search the transcript and jump straight to every flub. Little workflow hacks like that cut down my review time by half and help me confirm the AI kept the correct take every single time. After those initial passes, I do a quick manual listen through, which is step 3 in my process. Sometimes the AI misses context or keeps a clunky line, so I'll just highlight that exact text in the transcript and strike it out to remove it from the video. Since Vizard is based on text editing, anything you delete from the transcript disappears from the video timeline, making it as intuitive as editing a Google Doc. You want a sentence gone, you highlight it, you delete it, and you are done, or if you need a quick cut, you just put your cursor where you want and hit the split tool. But here is where Vizard really separates itself, the auto clip generation and scheduler combo. After I clean my master video, I hit Find Best Clips, and Vizard spits out a bunch of suggested vertical clips, fully tagged with hooks like hot take or punchline. You can review, trim, add captions, and then either download them or schedule them right there in the app, which is where the time savings become absolutely ridiculous. Instead of manually slicing a 45-minute video into 20 pieces and exporting them one by one, Vizard does all the heavy lifting for you. Let me explain the scheduling bit because this is gold. You set how often you want posts to go out, and Vizard's auto-schedule will queue the clips and post them on time. The built-in content calendar is where everything lives. Your scheduled posts, your drafts, and even your performance notes. You can move clips around like sticky notes. If a clip bombs, swap it out, and if something performs, just requeue it, just like Trello, but for video. People often ask me how this compares to tools like Descript, Premiere, or Munch, and the breakdown is quite simple. Descript is awesome for text-based editing, but it's more of a general DIY. Meanwhile, Premiere and Final Cut are professional grade but timeline first, which is a grind for making dozens of short clips. Tools like Munch and Opus are great for clipping, but they usually only do that one thing and won't manage your posting schedule or keep a calendar for you. Vizard sits in that sweet spot. It's built for creators who want automated clip discovery plus a full distribution pipeline. Now let's talk creative features like captions and templates. After Vizard suggests clips, you can switch the aspect ratio to portrait with one click. There are stylish caption presets and animated text options, and you can even batch apply a caption style to all your clips so they look consistent automatically. Need a different thumbnail? You can upload your own, or just let Vizard pick a frame and tweak it for you. The export quality is consistently good, and if you publish via the built-in scheduler, the platform handles the final upload to your socials for you. Another feature I love is the Insight tool, which highlights parts that it predicts will do well based on energy changes and speaking pace. So if you are not sure which moments are shareable, this gives you an instant shortlist to choose from. Let's be real, no tool is perfect, and Vizard occasionally misses subtle context. But because everything is transcript-based, you can fix it in literal seconds. When you compare this to the time you'd spend manually editing or hiring an editor, it is a huge time saver for your workflow. Pricing-wise, there's a free tier that lets you experiment and get a feel for the pipeline, which is perfect for new creators. If you need more transcription hours and scheduling power, the Creator Plan is reasonably priced, and teams can upgrade to the Pro Plan. Compared to the cost of paying for separate clipping tools, a scheduling app, and manual editing time, Vizard ends up having a very strong ROI. I've used it to turn a single 45-minute tutorial into a month's worth of shorts, each with its own caption and posting time. Basically, it's boosted my consistency without me having to do the repetitive grunt work. To recap, my 3-step routine is upload and transcribe, run the cleanup passes, and then polish and schedule using the content calendar. What used to take me 3 whole afternoons now takes under an hour for a full batch of clips. If you are a creator grinding daily content, Vizard bridges the gap between long form and short form without making you a full-time editor. It's fast, it saves time, and it's built for distribution, which is what matters most when your goal is growth. If you are using a bunch of separate apps, try consolidating your process because the fewer moving pieces you have, the better. Try the free tier and see if it fits your flow. If you upgrade later, those extra automation features are definitely worth it for heavy creators. I hope this walkthrough helps, and if you found it useful, smash that like button and share it with a creator friend who is drowning in videos. Check out the rest of my channel for more hacks on turning content into income, and I will catch you in the next video.